Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another episode of Tinkercad TV, so let's get cracking. Now, friends, the goal of every episode of Tinkercad TV is to entertain and inspire. Today's design is pretty epic, so let me show you what we got. Friends, today we have an amazing tank from Unlimited Model Works. Oh my goodness, this is cool. As you can see, there are notes. I'll hide them for a moment so we can take a quick glimpse around before we dive in and learn all about it. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Check out the armament. We've got missiles, we've got an awesome main gun. There is a machine gun, and check it out, we've got launchers here too. Friends, let's turn on those notes and see just what it is. First, this is the Type 23, a 5th generation main battle tank designed by Ferrex Land Systems for the Niphacean military. Named after the legendary dragon slayer of Germanic mythologies, the Siegfried lives up to its name by being almost invincible to any threats. Armed with a powerful SKC-14 145mm smoothbore gun, aided by the most advanced control system in the world. Whoa! Alongside the main weapon are a pair of remote 12.7mm heavy machine guns and a single remote 30mm cannon. That is impressive firepower. So right here we have that 145mm smoothbore cannon. This right here is the 12.7mm heavy machine gun with 6,000 rounds of ammo. This is the location of the gunner's periscope. And right over here you'll find the commander's periscope. And this is the single remote controlled 30mm automatic cannons with 2,500 rounds of ammo. Wow! Right here we have cameras, and this is the left and the right turret hatch. If we move to the back, we've got a LARMUD, which is a loitering aerial reconnaissance and munitions drone. That's pretty sweet. And we've got anti-tank guided missiles. Back here we can find the Siegfried is powered by a 18-cylinder HP 4000 multi-fuel engine that has 4,000 horsepower, and it's capable of propelling it at a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. And check it out, it has even got taillights, so it might be street legal. Friends, this is one of the coolest things I've seen yet. Watch this. If we do transparent, you can actually see inside, and there is that insanely cool engine. You can see we have ammunition, and we have an amazing loader. I can also take this half of the turret and make it transparent as well, and that shows us we can find the radio man. We have got the loader over there. This right here is the commander. If we peek from the back corner, you can find that that is the gunner. And underneath this hatch, you can find the driver. How cool is that? The transparency also gives us an amazing look at the tracks that were created for this vehicle. Oh my gosh, so many details. Really quickly, I'm going to shut off those notes and let's take one last look around. This is such an amazing project. Unlimited Model Works estimates that he put about 3 days into this epic project. He also added cool features like this little pivot point so we can actually raise the gun and it follows the correct axis. How cool is that? I am just amazed at how far this project got pushed, including details like the awesome engine. Unlimited Model Works, your skills are off the chain, and thank you so much for sharing. Friends, remember in Tinkercad, if you ever make something awesome, like say you complete my F1 car tutorial, if you make an epic version, you can share it with me so easily. You click this button, generate a link, copy that link, and you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HL Tinkercad. If those options don't work for you, don't forget you can also visit my website, HLModTech.com. I have got a page dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of awesome categories, and below that, lessons for absolute beginners. An extra bonus, friends, is down here. I have got a sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or share link, and reach me almost instantly. Friends, I do also want to recommend the Tinkercad Community Discord. As you can see, we've got more than 700 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, don't forget we have a link to the Designer Showcase. This is a designer directory with tons of amazing designers. When you click on the user's profile, you can see all of their amazing designs. Of course, if it's one of my designs, there is likely a tutorial at the top. It also makes my day if you take time to give it a reaction. I do, of course, also want to remind you that it is super cool to sort by recent, so you can see what the users have been creating lately. Finally, friends, don't forget if you click up here on the gallery, you can see the latest staff favorites, and then finally click on recent to see what people are making right now. Of course, if you think something is amazing, make sure you click on it and give it a reaction. Friends, as I wrap up this episode of Tinkercad TV, I just want to say thanks again to Unlimited Model Works. Oh my gosh, your skills are off the chain, and it's so cool that you take time to share with us. Finally, friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.